Today is Thursday, October 1st, 2009, and this is the 10-bagger challenge. My current account balance is $548, and you can see I have a couple trades, or I have one trade from yesterday, where I closed out for an $8 profit. Currently, I'm looking at the euro-yen to short. You can see it has a very nice head and shoulders pattern after the panic sell-off. And as I've been expecting, it's been consolidating nicely. So I'm looking to actually go short if we get up to the 131.40 zone, or to the 131.20. We'll see what happens as the market rallies. If it drops, I'm going to go long in the 130.25 to 130.50 zone. So I'll keep you updated either way. Another update here. We're getting some good sell-off action on the euro-yen, so I'm going to start to go long fairly soon. I'll tell you when I make my first trade. Update here, getting ready to go long on the euro-yen. Since we're nearing support. Let's see what happens. An update here, we're getting sell-off to the 60 zone, so I'm going to start buying right about now. Let's see. We can get a little bit more drop. Alright, here goes my first lot. Got filled at 130.59. And I'll add more down to 130.20. I'll keep you updated. Update here, got filled on my second position at 130.49. We are testing support, so I think we should bounce. I'll keep you updated. An update here on the 1 minute chart. If we get a rally to 30.59, I'll close out my first lot, break even, and just have to hold the second one. See what we can get. You can see we're getting more sell-offs. I'm going to add a third lot in a little bit. It's breaking the head and shoulders, but I think it's not going to break through this low right away. Gonna get ready to add another lot here when we drop below 130.40. Got filled on a third lot at 130.39 as the market's breaking down here. You can see there's a strong support trend line, which I think should control price action and cause it to bounce. Update here, we're getting a strong rally at this point, so I'm going to start closing out some positions to reduce my risk. My second lot is about break even, so I may close out if we get a little bit higher. I'll keep you updated. Another update here, we're having news in a few minutes and the market is pulling up. So I'm going to close this out in a little bit, right here. Filled the first one at 2.2 pips profit, and if we get higher I will close out my second lot and just have one lot running with a good profit. So I'll keep you updated when the news comes out. The news is coming out in about 45 seconds, and if we get a pop down to the 130 level, I'll add more, as I think we should be bouncing. So I'll keep you updated. Here it comes, let's see what happens. It's spiking up. If we get higher, I'm going to close out. Close out my first lot for 4 pips. If we go lower, I will buy more. So now I have only one lot. Let's see what's looking like here. So I'm just going to hold this. If we get to 25 or so, I will add another lot. Some good action here. So I'll keep you updated. Another update here. You can see there's a big spike up and spike down, and now the market is pulling back up. So we'll see what happens here. Again, if it goes lower, I'll add more, but this is looking promising right now. Another update here, going long, another position. Got filled at 130.28 on this drop here. See, we're at support, so I think we should bounce. I'll keep you updated. Just an update here. Getting a little bit of a rally, and if we get up to 130.40, I'll close out this lot for break even. Here we go, I'm going to close this out. There we go. Took minus 0.2 pips, but that's okay. So now I have one lot from 130.28, and I can just hold that if the market goes higher, and then I'll close out. An update here, getting a nice breakout above the 130.45 zone. I'm going to start considering closing out my trade pretty soon, and I'll tell you when I do. Just another update here. I actually opened and closed a position on this spike down to 130.11. I opened one position at 130.19, and then I closed my position from 130.28 for break even on the spike up. So now I am holding a nicely profitable position, and I think we could spike up to the 130, maybe 90 zone at this point, because we were definitely hitting support. So I'll keep you updated. I'll probably close out my lot around 130.60 and then start shorting up to 130.140. So I'll keep you updated when I close out my position. Just an update here. I'm going to close out 4. Well, let's just see. Close out, yeah, 4 here. Took 29 pips on them, and I'm going to place my stop at break even on the rest. And just let it run. I'll probably close out the last one at 60 if we get up there. This has been a nice run here, and been a good trade so far. Took about 30 pips, so we'll see what happens. Update here, we've got a nice sell-off after that spike at 130.50, so I'm thinking of adding back my full position at this point, taking out my stop. And so I'm in. See, I got filled at 130.27, so I'll keep you updated. You can see we're still holding at trendline support here. Just an update here, we're getting some kind of further pullback, but I'm going to add another short position right here. Now I have another position from 130.18, so I'll keep you updated. Update here, getting a nice spike, so I'm going to close out my first positions for break even when we get up there, and I'll keep you updated. Update here, closing out my positions. I took 9.7 on the 1 lot and 1.7 on the 5 lots. So now I'm just holding one position of 5 lots from 130.18. And I'll probably close out if we get to 130.50 or so. So I'll keep you updated. Another update here, getting a strong rally off of the lows. I think we're going to break this trend line, head to 130.60. So I'll keep you updated when that happens. Update here, closing out 4 lots. Took 18.4 pips. Just looking at this chart, and I'm just happy to take a profit, and I'll let my last lot ride up to 130.60. So I'll put a stop at break even. Just let it ride. Update here, breaking through to 130.50, and if we get to 130.60 or so, I'm going to close out my long and start scaling in some shorts up to 130.90. Just an update here, we're getting close to 30.60, and I think I'm just going to close it out and call it a day for now, and see where we get to. So I'm taking 31 pips right now. Got filled for 31 pips. So that's the end of my trading for today. If we do get lower to the 129.50 zone, I'll probably go short. I'll go long, and if we get to 130.75 or so, I may go short, but for now I'm done. So my current account balance is $578, and thanks for watching.